She got $2 more.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
My diamonds is changing the forecast. I just woke up in Dior tags. Walk in the store in Dior splash. We getting chicken like DoorDash. Remember I couldn't afford that.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another extremely lit video, y'all. Trey fixed the 250. You feel me? The only thing that was wrong with my throttle was I had to loosen the 2 screws and then tighten them back up. That's about it. After I crashed into him, it was all messed up. So we good now, though. Straight back. Yes, sir. We ain't gonna go too crazy. We ain't gonna go too crazy on him today, though, because I got the injury. Respectfully, you heard, I got the injury, so we can't wild out today, for sure. Off the injury. Off the injury. My wrist is f***ed up. And my wrist is f***ed up. Woo. We're still outside though. You don't got no willies? You don't got no willies? Okay. Oh, How fast that go? What you got on the thing? Let me see. Not, oh my God, 150, okay. You're supposed to come through like this. Huh? I'm recording right now. Say what's up. They mad cool. Yeah, I got you. Oh yeah, of course. I need something to drink. My mouth is dry as shit. Trying to bend this corner. Come on, Trey, with the messed up wrist. We about to stop at the store real quick in the hood, in the trenches, and get something to drink, cause Trey thirsty. I ain't gon' cap. Oh. I'm about to grab me a Gatorade, respectfully.
What do you want? Only got $1.
How much is it? $1.25?
Right here.
Yeah.
Hey, how much is the dinosaur? She only got $1. Come on, let me.
Yeah, she got $2 more.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tell him thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Even though Trey broke, I'll give anybody my last. You need me, folks?